Hey guys, I'm Dave Lee from Dave Lee's English, and here we go with the king of vowels, the king of reductions. But first, please give a like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because we've got valuable information coming your way every weekday for the next several weeks. And today we start with the most important vowel of them all, or the most important vowel sound, which is the schwa. Why is it called the schwa? I don't know, it doesn't make any sense. And why does it look like an upside down E? That doesn't make much sense either. That's just the I.P.A. symbol. So if you look in a dictionary, you'll probably see this. That's the only reason I included this. I won't include that with the other vowels. But it's simply this sound right here, the sound of very lazy sound, really. It's just when your mouth is completely relaxed, not closed tightly, not open. Your tongue is in a neutral position, not forward, not back, not up, not down. And so it's really easy. And this is a sound in the word, the Portuguese word comma. In fact, it's the second syllable, that reduced syllable, comma. And it's used for reduction in English a whole lot. It happens in Portuguese some, and it happens a lot in English too. And we also have a word that's pronounced comma, which means vírgula. And it's the same sound basically, but it's totally different meaning. But what is it about this sound that's so special? Well, here it is right here. It's in the middle of your mouth, as we just said. And when you're in the middle, it's kind of like you're the king if you're playing checkers or chess. You can move anywhere you want to move. But this king is so lazy, he doesn't move anywhere. He lets everyone else move to him. So for instance, in this phrase, one of you, instead of one of you, sometimes it gets changed. By the way, this is syllable tonica, or the stressed syllable, or the stressed word in this little phrase is one. And the unstressed syllables are of and you. Well, in English, when a syllable is unstressed, sometimes it gets very unstressed. It gets reduced. And that's what happens in one of you. This word of is almost always reduced from that to Instead of, it's of. And sometimes it's even reduced further to just So instead of one of you, you have one of you, But sometimes it gets reduced even more. If you're going to a scientific lecture or something very formal, they may speak this way. If you're speaking to friends, maybe like this. But sometimes people get super informal and reduce all three of these words to and it becomes one of ya. So the one remains the schwa sound, the of becomes a schwa sound, and even the u becomes a schwa sound. One of ya. Kind of strange, but that's the way it works. But remember, the schwa sound is really just what we call in English the short u, kurtu. So it can also be a syllable tonica, like in the word one over here, or in this sentence here we have Gus's son has fun when he runs on the bus. Gus's son has fun when he runs on the bus. And so what are these lines all about? The little blue lines, that means the schwa. Every time we do these sentences. We do the trabalinguas, the tongue twisters. I'm going to underline the key vowel in blue. And I'm going to underline the stressed syllable in red, because that's super important too. So, Gus's son has fun when he runs on the bus. And that's the secret of the schwa, the king of vowels and the king of reductions. And we'll be focusing on a different vowel every day for the next several days. And also we'll be giving you a different trabalingua every day so you can really remember these words. So what you can do is get in front of a mirror and get a little, whatever you call these things, and you can stretch it out by saying, Gus's son has fun when he runs on the bus. Gus's son has fun when he runs on the bus. And keep going a little faster and faster. See how fast you can actually say it. Gus's son has fun when he runs on the bus. The faster you can go, the more natural you will sound. But remember, you have to emphasize the right words. English speakers don't just speak quickly. They reduce certain sounds, and that makes the whole sentence sound shorter. And that's the way English works. So until next time, thank you, God bless you, and we'll see you again.